making these 3 money mistakes. Are you tired of making these 3 money mistakes? If you are new here, click the video above to learn more about the channel. The first money mistake is to pay bills and tax first. Paying bills and tax first is a big mistake because if you always pay your bills and tax first, then you'll never have enough money to save or to invest in your future. The solution is to always pay yourself first, no matter what. In fact, in both books, The Richest Man in Babylon and in Rich Dad Poor Dad, which are one of the best financial books of all time, the authors George Clason and Robert Kiyosaki tell us about the incredible secret of well-being, which is to always pay yourself first. Unfortunately, most of us continue doing the opposite, which is to pay ourselves last, paying bills and tax. And that's why we are usually always struggling to make ends meet. Pay yourself first simply means this. When you get paid, you will set up an automatic payment, so a parcel of your income, let's say 20% of your income, is automatically taken from your account and put into a saving or investment account. For example, you can put your money into a SIPP, SIPP, which is a self-investment personal pension. So instead of relying on a government pension, which pay peanuts or may end up not paying you nothing once you get retired, you are going to set up your own pension, a SIPP. This way, once you retire, you can use this money to finance your lifestyle, to cover all your bills, all your expenses, to travel to, and to enjoy a good life. But you might be asking, Sam, what if I pay myself first and then I don't have money left to pay my bills and tax first? You have to become creative. So instead of complaining, I may not have enough money to cover my bills and tax if I pay myself first, you can create a second source of income, because creative people think about solutions, they don't think about problems. That's the first money mistake, because most people always pay bills and tax first, but never they pay themselves first. From now on, make sure you always pay yourself first, and I guarantee your life will change. The second money mistake is saving money in a low interest saving account. But why is saving money in a bank a terrible idea? Simply put, as inflation is very high, which at the moment is 5% in the UK, it means if you save money in a bank, in a low interest saving account, you are literally losing your hard-earned income. In fact, sometimes you have to pay the bank to hold your money. The solution is to put your money in a high interest saving accounts. Just shop around, check best paid saving accounts in the UK. The only problem is that you have to lock your money away for a certain period of time, maybe 6 months, 1 year, or maybe 2 years. But it's a good thing because you can get at least a higher return on your money. Maybe you can even lend some money to investors or business owners or even entrepreneurs and get a high return. This is called money lending. Third money mistake is not investing or not starting a side hustle income business. Not investing your money, then you will never have enough money to enjoy a good life once you retire or get older. And they also relying on the government to take care of them when they get older. When I came to UK, I took all my savings and I bought 2 properties in Doncaster, which is close to Leeds in South Yorkshire. And then I rent them out to people. I was only getting £300 from each house, but I can tell you that it made all the difference. This money was helping me to pay the mortgages and also to pay the insurance. That's why I always say, if you only have one source of income, you'll always be broke, because JOB, J-O-B, stands for just over broke. But if you take a part of your money and invest it in, for example, buying a land, buying a property, to start your own business, and that's a smart move. These are the 3 common money mistakes most people do. Are you looking for a high-paid job? Then watch this video now.